Out on my wrist, count it and spin it. Mad at the coupe, mine with no skinny. Chop out the top, hit it the limits. I got some cash, I wanna spend it. New paper tag, didn't wanna rent it. As you guys can tell from the title and also from behind me as well, I am going to be doing a back to school haul. And I might sound a little happy, but I'm really not. Like, I'm not in the correct mental space to go back into school. And when this video goes up, it's going to be exactly a week before school starts. Not ready, not with it, not excited, whatever. It is what it is. So disclaimer, this video is not meant to brag about anything that I bought or that I have. I honestly just see that a lot of viewers and even myself, I enjoy these videos. So I was like, let me hop on that little wave, you know? So I'm gonna just do the video. Only thing that this video might not include is my school supplies, because it's just like, that's like the day before type, you know? Like the day before. And yeah, little stuff like that. So that's that. So let me just get right into the video, because y'all probably tired of hearing me talk so much. I went to Victoria's Secret, and this is the thing, okay? If you do not know, Victoria's Secret lip glosses are popping. And you know what? You know when you're in school, you see girls with these crusty ass lips, and you just like, ooh, that could never be me. I always have lip gloss on deck. So I feel like this will get me through at least the first semester. So I just got this pack of lip glosses. I'm actually wearing this one, the lightest one right now. It comes with 5 lip glosses, and it was $25. But here's the tea. If you buy each of these lip glosses individually, they're originally like $11 each one. But if you have 5 for $25, Victoria's Secret, the plug. Like, these are all flavored and they smell really good. So I went to H&M. I went there because, you know, they have like the basic sweaters and the sweatpants for like $20 or $17 each. So I went, and I was gonna get the gray like sweat combination suit, whatever, like for a calm day. Because if you know me, in the wintertime, all I wear is sweatpants, all I wear is sweatsuits, hoodies. I'm mad comfortable. So I just have to buy sweatpants, and I'm probably gonna order more before school starts because I just need more. And I'm taller now, so like some of my sweatpants are a little like short on me, and I can't be having high water sweatpants, like, but so yeah, I just went. And so when I went to the cash register with the sweater and these pants, they weren't the same color. They were not the same color. And in Soho, if you go to Soho, you know there's 2 H&Ms. So I went to one and I bought these. They're just these gray basic. These are in a medium, and you're probably gonna be like, oh my god, you're so skinny. Because I'm thick, okay? Next, I went shopping twice, so I got those first 2 things in Soho and 2 more things in Soho, like 2 other stores I went to. But I went to Jersey, to Garden State Plaza, Garden State Mall. Y'all know that mall, and it's huge. And I was just there with my sister and my niece, and I was like, I'm already here, I might as well just, you know, buy something. So I went to Nordstrom, and I got my purse for school. I just got this long chain bag, and this is the large one, I believe. Yeah, this is the large one. This is just a gray one. Oh, I thought I had foundation on it. I was about to cry. So it's just this large one, little like gold. This is just a basic book bag that everybody in New York has. I feel like not so much everywhere else, but like in New York, like everybody in school has it. Like, I'm actually gonna get the black one, but I have so many black purses. I'm tired, so I was like, get something a little bit lighter. So that's what I'll be using for school. And I also got a dark color. I wanted to get the orange one. God knows I wanted the orange one or the yellow one. But I just be throwing my purse. I'm not even going to lie to y'all. I be throwing my purses on the floor at school. Like, I do not be having it. I'm not in the mood for nothing. So I just be throwing it on the floor, and I can't be having it dirty. So I need this. Next. Ooh, first in Jersey again. I went to G-Star. They gave me this big ass bag. I only bought one thing there. I went there, so I was like, oh, let me get like a hoodie or something. Let me go get a hoodie. But then they had ugly hoodies, and I wanted some jeans, but then the jeans were ugly too. It was like that ugly like wall. It was weird. It was ugly. Anyways, so I was just like, oh, where's y'all t-shirts? And I saw this t-shirt, and I was like, oh, that's cute. Whatever. Let me just get it, because I came in here for what? Nothing? Oh. I talk so fast. Whew. So I just got this G-Star. Oh, I don't want to get makeup on it. I just got this G-Star t-shirt. I just said raw and like the camo. And this is a guy's shirt. This is extra small. If you know me, I keep thinking I'm gonna get makeup on this. This is why I cannot have white clothes. Yeah, if you know me, I get all my t-shirts in the men's section. This shirt, I will talk about it later, but most of my t-shirts are from the men's section in different stores because I feel like they have cuter t-shirts. If you're a girl, okay, if you're a girl, you know that they be giving us those little ugly t-shirts, and some of them be like saying, like, you know, when you go to Forever 21 and you see a cute shirt, you're like, oh, and it says 5 before guys, and you just look at it like, that's exactly why I go to the men's section. They don't be fucking with them, and it's cute. And I like the oversized look, especially like because I'm a very comfy person. So yeah. Ugh. You see this? I will explain this later. Anyways, in Jersey, I went to PacSun. Originally, I was on the website and I was gonna order all my clothes, but then when I went to Jersey, I was like, ooh, you have a PacSun here. Because the only PacSun in New York is in Queens Center Mall, which is like 45 to an hour away. I'm not doing that. I'm not. Are you dumb? So, I just was in Jersey and I just got it. Alright, so first thing that caught my eye was the graphic t-shirts. And they had a sale. It was like 2 for like 20 or something like that. So I just got this Scarface t-shirt. This is a medium in men's. It's not that big. It's like cute. It's like a cute size. It doesn't make me look bulky, but it's still oversized and comfy. I wore this yesterday. Let me tell y'all something. So, my sister-in-law put this in the trunk of her car. And I don't know what, but some like liquid got on it. I think it was something. I'm not even going to say what it is because I don't want to like be assuming. But I think it was like battery acid or something. I do not know. Like, this probably sounds like so drastic. But it created this hole. At first it was just wet. So I was like, okay, whatever. Then this happened. Like, it started deteriorating. I was like, what the fuck? So then I saw those little same like brown stains on my shirt. This shirt. So yesterday I'm walking to the train station to link up with my friends to go shopping. Where the stain was, I have a hole there. Where the stain was, I have a hole there. And I have another one right there. So I mean it's cute, but like it's not Yeezy, so I'm not really trying to go for that look. But my nose is dripping, I'm sorry. So yeah, that's cute, I guess. So now I guess I'm gonna just use this shirt to go to sleep or something, then I'll just buy another one whenever. Cause they weren't that much by themselves. They were like $15. So I was like, whatever. Let's dig in here. Oh, this bag is so big. So for the second, I like the $25 each, but whatever. So the second graphic t-shirt I got was this Poetic Justice one. It's the same one. I mean the same size. It's a medium in men's, and it has Tupac on it. And yeah. When I saw Poetic Justice, I love Poetic Justice, okay? One. Second of all, Tupac, the greatest. Anyways, this is just a really cute shirt. And you can match it with a bunch of different things. So, yeah. Second little cute top I got is from PacSun. It's like from the Basics collection. It's like this little crop top. And it has like this cross, whatever. And it's cute. It's like spaghetti straps. Square back. It's just really cute. Basic, but it's like you could pair it with a lot of different things. And okay. Oh. Next thing I got is also from the PacSun Basics collection. And this just is the crop top. It's just this black spaghetti strap crop top, and it's really cute. At first I thought it was the same as the black one, but I'm kind of glad it's not because it's just like the ribbed, no design, it's just plain, and I can match this with a lot of stuff. So I feel like you always need this stuff. So, and I feel like you always need like a black and white crop top because you can match it with like jeans, skirts, sweatpants if you really dress like that, you know? So, speaking of skirts, at PacSun, it was a struggle. Speaking of skirts, at PacSun, it was a struggle to find any bottoms that were my size, because there were some really cute shorts and jeans, but they only went up to like a size 22 or 24 was the biggest size that I saw in some of them. I was like, let me take a 24, the biggest size. Why it didn't go past my knee? Like, I'm not gonna say like I have huge thighs, but in jeans I'm like a size 7 or 9. So a 22 and a 24, where's that fitting? I
they were really cute, so I was trying, but no. So this is actually the only bottom that fit me there, except I could have gone to the men's side and gotten some pants, and I tried on like some Playboy cargo pants. They were so cute, but I didn't like the design because I had Playboy all over it. If it was just the cargo pants and the Playboy logo like on the corner, that would be so cute. Like, you know how Adidas. And I like this color. I've been feeling for something this color for the longest, so now I got it. And it was a bit pricey for a skirt, but it was worth it. It's cute. Are you dumb? My nose is getting crazy. Alright, I need to hurry up and do this. So, the next thing is my favorite thing that I got from PacSun. Hands down. It was this crew neck sweater from Tommy Hilfiger, Tommy Jeans. And yeah, it just says Tommy Jeans Sailing Gear. Has like a little flag, but like with the Tommy sign inside. And then on this side, it says Sailing Gear 04588. First of all, I saw this on the website. I saw this one and they have the neon green one, like this type of neon green, like the whole sweater. That's a little bright for me. Like, I'm not that bold. Yeah. Last thing I got from PacSun is this off-the-shoulder crop top. It's just blue. It's really cute and good. Like I could pair it. I could pair this with some dark wash jeans and like some white Vans. Is that a look? Or I could pair this with a dark wash denim skirt and some Vans. You never know. Possibilities are endless. So that's it for packs. Alright, so next store is Foot Locker. But I ended up just getting Vans because I didn't want to spend my own money. Like, I'm smart with my own money, but I'm kind of like not smart with other people's money. So with my own money, I was like, I could get 2 Vans or I could get Vans or something else, right? So I just got these Vans. These are the old school Vans, but they're white. They're a true white, and these are in a size 7.5. These are just like the old school white Vans, but they're like leather. They're not like the regular material, and they're just really white. I need an all white sneaker. I just decided to get these, and I could pair these with a lot of stuff, so that's why I got it. So yeah. I'm getting like a cold, and it's because it's mad dusty in here. Oh, so remember how I said I don't like bold sweaters? Well, this is different. It is yellow, and it just says Nike, and this is a small. This is a men's sweater as well. As I said, I like oversized. I like the men's section because the men's section is the best section. Okay. I already know what's going on. I'm gonna get a lot of, oh, whose sweater is that? Like, oh, who you going out with? Who you talking to? Who you fucking with? Nobody. It's mine, sis. Like, dog. Last thing, I honestly didn't get even that much stuff, but I still have to get like jeans and stuff like that. So whatever. I already know this not gonna be a lot of y'all cup of tea. I'm just gonna keep it a buck right now, but I like it. I liked it. This camo like bubble jacket. It's just really cute, and this is in a size. This is a woman's jacket. No surprising, right? Perfect, y'all. It was perfect. When I tell you perfect, do you know what perfect is? You don't know what perfect is until you wear this coat. Okay, that's how serious it is. This coat is so fire, bro. And I already know. Oh, hey, I don't like it. It looks like a boy's jacket. Well, guess what? Guess what? I got it. And you know what? I like it. And you know what? I'm gonna wear it. So that's the tea on that. Okay. Alright, you guys, so that is it for this video. Make sure if you enjoyed it to leave a like down below, and if you also enjoyed it, make sure to leave some suggestions in the comment section, because whatever y'all want to see, I will post. I am here to please y'all, you know, so just do it. And also subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications, because we're popping over here and you would never want to miss this. And I also would like to make like a little Q&A, so if you guys have questions, also leave them in the comment section down below, you know. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, bitch.